Hello, one of the most beautiful motifs in Tezhip is the lotus flower. We call it gul pembe in Farsi. The first step is simply learning the whole shape of this flower. It is on a circle arc like always, and it has appropriate sepal and an ellipsoid shape for putting the petals. We can have them with 3, 5 or 7 petals. And I will show you 3 petals at first. We put the bigger petals in this way, and we can have some smaller petals between them. Now, we need to add some more details and teeth to them. In next step, I will show you how to put teeth on these big petals. We learned sketching these teeth in previous video, so you can go and watch that video if you need. It is the same technique and it is beautiful. Now we can have smaller petals between them. And we can adorn it by adding some more details inside. One more sample here for you. My name is Shiva Chavushian and this is Learning Tezhip channel. I want to teach Tezhip step by step here, and I hope you will enjoy it. We can change the details, but the whole shape is the same for all of them. Now, I want to show you another sample with 5 petals step by step. They are really beautiful and important, especially in Safavid era, and after putting colors inside them, they will be amazing. The next step, I will show you the details and putting teeth. I hope my tutorials are helpful, and please subscribe for being noticed about the future videos. From my heart to yours. See you on the next videos.